Hello everyone. Today we will answer a very common question. Is the microwave dangerous or it's just a myth? Let's explain the science in a simple way. Okay, let's go explain it. Many people believe that the microwave ovens are harmful. Some think they cause cancer or destroy food, but are these ideas true? Physics gives us the real answer. Microwave oven works using electromagnetic waves. Okay, electromagnetic waves called microwaves. These waves are similar to radio waves and Wi-Fi signals. They are not nuclear radiation. Okay, food contains water molecules. Microwaves make this these molecules move very fast. This movement creates heat, which warms the food. Microwave radiation doesn't stay inside the food. When the microwave stop working, the radiation disappears completely. The food is safe to eat. Microwave are non-ionizing radiation. This means they cannot damage DNA. Cancer is linked into ionizing radiation, like X-ray, not microwaves. People fear microwaves because the word radiation sounds scary. Also, food may heat and using unsafe plastic containers can cause problems. Okay? And also, microwave can be dangerous only if it's damaged or using incorrectly, such as using metal or broken door. A normal microwave is safe. All cooking methods reduce some nutrients. Microwaves often perceives nutrients better because they use less water and shorter cooking time. Okay, microwave ovens are safe when used correctly. They don't cause cancer and don't make food radioactive. Understanding physics helps us avoid misses. Thanks.